Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve no printers are installed Excel issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix no printers are installed in Excel using 6 fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application and PC. Before exploring any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome minor glitches or errors in Excel. Besides, try rebooting your PC to fix this. Solution 2. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause this problem in the spreadsheet. To fix it, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Add a new printer in Windows. The next solution you can try is to add a new printer in Windows. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to incorrect settings in PC for printer. To do so, click the Start button and go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Make sure your printer is on and properly connected to your computer. Click Add Device or Refresh to let Windows scan for printers. If your printer appears in the list, select Add Device next to it. If it doesn't appear, select Add manually and follow the on-screen instructions. Solution 4. Add a new printer in Excel. Adding a new printer in Excel is the most recommended solution for no printers are installed error. To do so, go to File, then Print in Excel. Select the Printer drop-down menu and choose Add Printer. In the new dialog box, you can either type your printer's name to search for it or leave it blank. And select Find Now to see all available printers. Select your printer from the search results and click OK to connect it. Solution 5. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve this problem. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 6. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve no printers are installed in Excel, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft Excel no printers are installed error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.